What are the other K-beauty products that I currently use? Let's go through them. Let's start off with some skincare. So for my facial cleanser, I use this one. This is from Song by Me by Blackhead. I really like this one and in-interchange ko siya with my other cleansers. This one is for blackhead, oily skin, and stuff like that. So ito, halos kalahati na siya. And this one, I really like this kasi meron siyang cooling effect kapag ginagamit ko. For my other skincare, let's move on to the cleansing oil. This one is the Anua Heart Leaf. This is actually also nice and very nice in smell. Very soft sa skin. Of course, I have the toner. Ayan, eto. Maganda rin siya. I really like this. And then, of course, this is the newest one that I'm currently using. Dalba First Spray Serum. Ayan. So, eto, I've been loving this one ever since. Parang kakabili ko lang nito parang start of May. Ayan, hindi start of May, mga mid-May. Ayan. And then for my hair, I also have this one. Ayan, medyo naubos ko, hindi man naubos, parang 1/4 na lang yung naiiwan. And this really works for my dry hair. I also use this one, Access Y. This one is really nice. Okay siya. Sobrang nice siya pag pinapartner ko sa retinol ko. And then I also have this eye cream. Ito hindi ko pa masyadong masabi kung talagang effective siya. But so far, so good naman. What else? Oh, this one. This one is the Midnight Pack, and this one I've been using it every day and very hydrating siya. Parang Midnight Pack, tapos iiwan mo lang siya sa face mo, just like yung Laneige Sleeping Pack. But this one is actually nice. I like it. What else? Dito naman. Dito yung mga SPF ko. Ito. This one is good. This is nice. Okay siya. And then, I also use this one. Actually, yung mga SPF ko, mga sunscreen ko, halos same lang din naman siyang effect. But, all of them are really nice. So this one also, I also have of course the Beauty of Joseon. Ayan. O, diba? Ayan. And then there's this one that I currently use na hindi masyado na-feature. This one is from Tony Moly na merong may snail serum or something. I really like this one as a base. And binili ko siya kasi dati parang pangarap kong makagamit ng Gold 24K nila kasi ang mahal-mahal ng skincare nila. And also this one, I think meron na rin ito, ano ko, Korean to eh. Meron na rin ito sa Philippines to eh. Pero this one is also a good, what do you call that? Base. Meron pa pala, ito pa pala. This one ito, okay siya, pero hindi ko masyado ginagamit kasi parang hindi siya masyadong bagay pala sa oily skin ko. Parang ang oily ng feeling niya kapag nilalagay ko. And then, I've also been using this one. I'm a fan of Laneige. Ayan, yung essence, toner, and yung moisturizer. And actually, dito, ayan, I use this one, yung cream, and then yung gel. Sobrang nice nito. This is my holy grail. Parang a lot of Korean skincare na yung lumalabas, pero for me, that is still the best. Pagdating naman sa beauty, ito yung ginagamit ko. So, this one is the blush. I really like this. And this one is the cream blush. And of course, I have the Laneige. This is the matte one cushion. I also recently unboxed this one, the Tear Tear. Medyo ginagamit ko na rin siya ng madalas. And then for my eyebrows, I think I have here this one. This is from Tony Moly. Ayan, okay din siya. And then for my lips, ayun, meron na ako ng bagong Innisfree. This one is a different shade, mas darker siya. Meron pa pala dito, yung mga Bare and Bliss na product. Ayan. Korean din to kasi din pala. But this one, I've been a fan of Bare and Bliss. Okay din siya. And then this one is the sleeping mask. And then of course, this one for the lips. Okay siya, pero I don't think it's necessary to use. I also have the Bare and Bliss powder, pero nasa bag ko ata, wala siya dito. So honestly, actually, before, I used a lot of Korean makeup, like starting off with the BB cream, CC cream, cushions, and stuff like that. It's just that recently, nandun ako sa Western brands ng beauty products. I've been trying it out recently, and yun yung mga ginagamit ko. But, the only reason na hindi ko ginagamit ngayon yung Korean pagdating sa face, sa base, kasi parang na-realize ko, masyado pala siyang light sa akin. So, but yeah, most of the products that I've been using are actually nice and they are effective pagdating sa akin, except dun sa mga iba na bago ko pa lang na ginagamit.